Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. When network constraints are an issue, what is the benefit of the REST API when compared to other well-known interface methods that should be presented to a customer to correctly position HPE OneView? Option A. REST API offers integrated JavaScript object notation, JSON, translation. Option B. No state change message bus is needed to communicate with HPE OneView. Option C. REST API has lighter bandwidth requirements. Option D. The code is compatible with all Simple Object Access Protocol, SOAP, scripts. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. REST API has lighter bandwidth requirements. Question 2. A customer wants to lower operational costs by automating Brocade SAN fabric zoning to their HPE 3-par store serve array. Which HPE tools can do this for your customer? Select 2. Option A. HPE 3-par Management Console. Option B. HPE OneView. Option C. HPE 3-par Smart Start. Option D. HPE 3-par Rapid Provisioning. Option E. HPE Smart SAN for HPE 3-par. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. HPE 3-par Rapid Provisioning. Option E. HPE Smart SAN for HPE 3-par. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.